Good day my friends, in this video I will show you 3 functions from this Casio AE1300W that is not so secret but not many people know. Okay, first is the LCD check, and to do that press these 3 buttons, adjust, mode and start at the same time like this, and it will show this LCD check screen. And then press the start button once, so we move to the next screen, press again and it will show this code, and press again, now we return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, the next one is the mute function, and to do that press and hold the mode button about 5 or 6 seconds like this. Okay, now it shows this mute or silent icon, so if we press the buttons it will not make any sound. Okay, and to exit from this silent mode we can also press and hold the mode button 5 or 6 seconds and it stops. And then the next one is the alarm sound check. To do that we move to the alarm mode first, press the mode button several times until we get to this function ALM, alarm, and then press and hold the start button, so it will make a beep sound like this. Okay, now we see that the feature is changing, so we need to press the start button 3 more times to return to the previous condition. Okay, that's all for the 3 functions that not so secret but not many people know for Casio AE1300W. And thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. See you again in the next video. Bye.